Hello fellow Land Cruiser lovers and you do-it-yourselfers. This is your Asian fellow who is changing out his EGR valve because he had too much nitrogen oxide coming out of his exhaust, which is my exhaust, and I couldn't pass emissions by 0.3. And so I looked up kind of what would be the issue with that, and they had said the EVAP, or the EGR. So what I noticed is, I noticed this actually a couple years ago, and the EGR valve is like $280, so it's not the cheapest part, but this is my current EGR right here, and I could see how there's some rust going on right here at the end, and so I could tell it's probably not doing its job or it's going bad. So two 12mm bolts, looks like they're posts. You can notice there one goes here, and there's one more on the back side right here. Right now I'm working on the actual connection of the EGR valve. I don't know where it goes or what it's doing, but I could tell it's a little bit rusted, so I got some PB blaster on there. And then there's just a hose on this post right here. As you can see, that you just got to remove that hose. I've just disconnected. You're gonna have to take this off and put it on the new EGR. And then there's this hose. So I might change out those hoses too eventually, but I just got to get this passed from on emissions. So outside of that, this is I did order it from Toyota, and it's an original. Just because I don't really want to go another route on this style, so just order it from your local Toyota dealership. They should be able to get it in. He gave me a great price on $280. So I thought there would be a gasket on here, but I don't think I see one. So either maybe they didn't put one on from the previous owner or whatnot. But anyway, that's how the EGR valve is going to be changed out, and I'll let you know if it works for passing my emissions test. Take care, y'all.